After elution is complete, carefully detach all tubing from the viral cap filter, collection cup, and bilge pump. Place the tubing in a bag to autoclave, then wash the tubing for reuse. Remove the collection cup lid and carefully pour the eluate into the labeled collection bottle. Pause your cleanup here to immediately adjust the pH of the eluate to between 7.0 and 7.5 using hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. This will enable your target organisms to be at a stable pH and increase survival. Add reagents in small increments and gently swirl the bottle with the lid on to mix. Check the pH using pH strips. Compare with the standard and discard the used pH strips in a biohazard bag. Note that pH adjustment has potential for cross-contamination. Only open one sample at a time and use sterile technique. Store the pH-adjusted sample at 4 degrees Celsius until secondary concentration. Continue your cleanup by discarding the collection cup and lid. Place the viral cap filter in a biohazard bin for waste disposal. Sterilize the elution device stand by autoclaving. It can remain assembled or be disassembled for this process. Rinse the syringe with sterile distilled water 3 times. Wipe down the bilge pump handle with a primary disinfectant such as Virkon or Oxivir.